Imagine flying for almost a year. No landing, no stopping, no brakes. Sounds impossible, right? But there's a bird that actually does it. It's called the common swift, and it's nature's most extreme flyer. This bird eats, sleeps, and even mates, all while soaring through the sky. Scientists tracked one for 10 straight months, and guess what? It never touched the ground. Not once. No branch, no wire, no rest. It only lands once a year to nest. Then it's back in the air, like Earth's surface doesn't exist. So next time you're tired of standing, just remember, some creatures literally never stop flying. Like and follow the Brain Loft for more insane nature facts.